Hello from Freedomtax Accounting, and in this video we're going to show you the new, fast, and easy way of making a payment towards your SBA EIDL loan online. So basically the first step, you go to the SBA website homepage. That's sba.gov. So this is the SBA homepage right here. All right. So you go down, you click here where it says COVID-19 relief programs. You click there. Then you click here where it says EIDL. You click this red button that says make a payment. You click here where it says my SBA Loan Portal. And again, click where it says my SBA Loan Portal. That will take you to the new SBA Loan Portal, which is active since the end of February 2023. So basically here you sign in here or in the red button above. If you have not created an account, you can do so as well. So you click sign in and here you put your username and your password. You click I have agreed, you sign in. It'll send you a verification message. I am going to choose a text message. And my SBA code is 6923637. Okay, complete verification. Now you are on the SBA portal. You go here on the top right where it says make payments. You click make payments. Here you put your credit card information. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. All right. Save and continue. Here you're going to choose to pay with a bank account, with a debit card, or PayPal. I'm going to pay with a debit card. So here I'm going to put my debit card number. Okay. Basically, it's asking you for the expiration month, expiration year, your security code. Then save and continue. You can pay either amount due of your loan or you can make a custom amount. Okay. So here I'm going to make a payment for this example of $100. Now you can only make one-time payments via this new portal. If you want to make reoccurring payments automatically, you still have to do that through pay.gov. If you want to know how to program automatic payments, monthly payments directly from your business bank account, look up our video where it says, look up in YouTube, how to make automatic payments towards my EIDL loan. You're going to see our video on how to do that via pay.gov. Here, it's a one-time payment. You click save and continue. Review your payment. That is the card number. This is the amount you're going to pay. You click here where it says, I have read and understand the disclosure above. Confirm payment. Okay. And that is it. Okay, payment is done. All right, so that's how you do the new, fast, and easy way of paying your SBA EIDL loan online. Thank you for watching this video. If you have received valuable information in this video, like it and share it with another business owner that can take advantage of this information. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.